Hello, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV. Today we're going to have a look at using the mast hinge on a Hobie 16 for dropping and raising the mast. So we've made a few bits of preparation here. The first one, possibly the most important, is onto the end of the jib halyard we've attached a rope, and the other end of that rope I've attached at the base of the bridle wires. This is only necessary if you're going to be doing this single-handed, so that we can use the jib halyard to hold the mast until we get the forestay on or off. I've just loosened off one of the shrouds to allow the mast to go a little bit further forward. Jib halyard. See this rope going up? A bit of a twist. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so we're going to start off by attaching the lower part. This will go in thus, and then the higher part, it does say this hole is for the Hobie 14, but I found that this hole actually fits the 16. If you can do this without having to loosen off your rig, then that is ideal, but I've had to on this one, the way we've got the mast set up. She's in there and we're ready to drop. Okay, so I've got the jib halyard cleated, but I'm just going to put it on the horn cleat there for a little bit of extra security, and now we can release the forestay. So there we go, the forestay is off. I'm going to step up onto the trampoline. I'm going to push the mast forward with one hand. With the other hand, I'm going to release the jib. So now, in theory, there we go. Now the mast's coming down. Very nice. Going down there. Okay, so that was surprisingly easy. If you do find that when you get to that angle the mast is getting a bit heavy, you could either recruit the help of a passerby just to hold the mast while you get off the boat. Now that we've got the mast down, we're going to replace this part. Might as well do something. This is called a mast pivot bearing. Here at Wildwind, because our boats get used every day, we replace these about once a month. Here's a new one. Again, this part is available from Hobie, or you can make your own out of some sort of plastic tub, and that just stops the metal from grinding on metal in there and keeps the mast pivoting nicely. Putting the mast back up, this is actually my first time trying this, so I'm as excited as you are about what's about to happen. There we go, so the mast's up. And now just to hold the mast, I'm going to pull through the jib halyard. Okay, so very important before you go sailing is you take this bad boy back out. Otherwise your mast won't rotate. Right there, just wiggle the mast. Okay, Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this has been both interesting and informative. I've certainly learnt something today. Thank you very much.